Understanding the phrase, get one's blood up, in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, get one's blood up. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious, but it's actually a colorful way to describe a common feeling. So, let's dive in and understand what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, get one's blood up, is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to become angry or excited about something. The idea behind this phrase is that when someone gets very emotional, their heart rate increases, causing the blood to flow faster. It's often used to describe someone who is worked up, passionate, or agitated about a situation or topic. Understanding the origin of phrases can make them easier to remember. The phrase, get one's blood up, dates back to a time when people believed that emotions were directly linked to the blood's movement in the body. When someone got angry or excited, it was thought that their blood flowed more quickly. This old belief is what led to this colorful expression. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. In a debate, the debate really got his blood up. He was passionately arguing his point. 2. In sports, the close score really got the fans' blood up. They were cheering loudly. 3. In a work setting, the unfair policy at work really got her blood up, and she decided to speak to the manager about it. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to express a strong emotional response. Do use it to describe strong emotions like anger or excitement. Don't use it in a literal sense. It's a metaphorical expression. Do feel free to use it in informal conversations. It's not typically used in formal settings. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, get one's blood up. It's a vivid expression that can add color to your English conversations, especially when talking about emotions and reactions. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the situation calls for it. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.